In this chapter, we are going to discuss energy, computer talk, types of materials, common machines and universe. Okay. So let's start with questions. First question is, star appear to move from in dash in the sky. Star appear to move from which direction? West to east or east to west or north to south or south to north. Actually, they appear in the east to west direction. Why they appear in the east to west direction? Let me tell you. It is the result of the earth rotation. You know na, earth rotate on its axis. Okay. So because the rotation of earth on its axis, the stars appear like they are moving. Okay. And why they are moving east to west? They look like this because earth spin west to east. Okay. You know the directions. This is the east, this is west, this is north and south. Okay. So earth rotate west to east direction. Okay, like this. Earth rotate west to east. So stars appear in opposite direction. Okay. That's why stars appear in opposite direction of the earth rotation, so that they look like east to west direction, because earth rotate west to east direction. So they look like east to west. In the opposite direction, they look like moving. East to west, B is right answer here. Next is Cassiopeia is the name of a constellation. Okay. This is W or M shaped constellation with 5 major stars. Okay, you know that, I hope. A is right answer. Next, who among the following was the first woman to travel in space? First woman who traveled in space is Valentina Tereshkova. A is the right answer here. This is a cosmonaut from in June 1963. She has traveled for the space. This is the first woman who traveled in space. Okay. B. Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is the astronaut from the NASA and from Indian origin. She is, and on March 18 of this year. Okay, this is the current affair also. March 18, 2025, she returned back to Earth. Okay, after spending 286 days in universe. Okay. Third one is Svetlana Savitskaya. This is the second woman who traveled for the space. Okay. And Sally Ride is the third woman who traveled for the space. Okay. And Bird's third woman. And she is the first woman of where? USA. Okay. First American woman, we can say that. First American woman who traveled for the space. But she is third woman. Okay. In the world who travel for the space. But right answer for first woman, that is A. Valentina is the right answer here. Next is energy produced from the sun rays is called. From sun rays, which energy is produced? That is called solar power energy. Nuclear power is produced by nuclear reactions. Okay, nuclear reactions. And wind power by windmill. Okay. Wind energy by wind and hydroelectric energy by water. Okay, we produce hydroelectric energy, but by sun rays what we can produce, that is solar power energy. Okay, A is right answer. Next is, which of the following material has luster? Luster means this is a soft shiny surface. Okay, that is called luster. So wood has shiny surface? No, this is not luster. Rubber does not have shiny surface. Plastic also does not have shiny surface. But copper is a metal, and metal luster is the property of metals. Okay, they have very shiny surface, and this is the property of luster which only metal have. D is right answer here, copper. Next is, the front of ship is called bow. Okay. And back of ship is stern. This is back. And deck is the floor of the ship. Okay. And galley is the kitchen of the ship. These are the name of the different parts of the ship, but front part of the ship is known as bow. C is right answer here. Next is, which device is used to measure the level of humidity present in the air? Level of humidity can be measured by hygrometer. Okay. Barometer used for measuring atmospheric pressure, ATM. Thermometer is used for the measuring temperature, and anemometer is used for measuring wind speed. Okay, so right answer for the humidity, that is hygrometer. C is the right answer here. Next is renewable energy come from sources or process that are constantly replenished. Which of the following is not a renewable source? Renewable source are the source which have infinitive we can say that energy. Okay, we can produce the energy by them for the infinite time. When we have wind in our environment, then we can produce wind power. Okay, by sun rays we can produce solar power. They are renewable. Okay, with each every new day we can get the new rays and new wind. But petroleum, biomass is the plant material. Okay, but petroleum are the products, they have definite value. Okay, and they are not renewable. When they spend, they cannot be renewed. Okay, so this have definite amount, we can say that finite amount they have, so that these are not renewable source. D is the right answer here, petroleum products. Next is read the given statement regarding application X. It provides detailed information about geographical region. In addition to conventional road maps it gives. It offers aerial and satellite views. What is this? Map is the app, Google Maps. Basically, this is the icon of Google Maps, and here we use for the know about the routes of the roads. Okay, Google Maps is the right answer here. This is the picture icon of GPay. Okay, Google Pay, electronic transaction of money. This is the icon of Play Store where we download the apps in our phone. This is the document viewer. Okay, document viewer. But right answer for our question is, this is the picture of Google Map, and this is the conventional road map. It offers aerial and satellite views. D is the right answer here. Next is, which of the following social networking media site have origin in USA? Twitter origin is in USA. Okay, this is owned by the AI intelligence company. YouTube is YouTube Center is also in the USA, and this is Snapchat, that origin is also from the USA. So all of these are the right answer here. Next is, asteroids are small, rocky, irregular shape objects that orbit the sun. The majority of known asteroids orbit within the asteroid belt. Okay, it is present between which of the following planets? Let me tell you what is the asteroid belt. Actually, let me show you what is asteroid belt. Look at this picture. This is the picture of our planets. This is sun here, and after sun there are all the planets in the space. Okay, you can see that here small rocky and icy dust material. You can see that this is actually asteroid belt, we call it. Okay, this is asteroid belt. Okay, which divides planets in the two parts, and from here it is where it is. This is in the Mars. You can see that, and Jupiter, in between Mars and Jupiter. This is the outer orbit of where Mars is revolving, and here it is Jupiter, and between Mars and Jupiter there is the asteroid belt. Okay, so right answer here is Mars and Jupiter. A is the right answer here. Okay, next question is, what is the full form of GPS? That is Global Positioning System, GPS. Okay, in every device we have GPS, which is running on the roads from a company. Okay, actually this is you can say that this is the location tracker. Okay, GPS is location tracker. Global positioning system, where is your position we can check from by GPS. D is right answer here. Next is, dash is a thin disk that is used to store data. Thin disk to store data, that is DVD. C is the right answer here. Printer used for printing papers. CPU is for actually CPU is responsible for all the programming in the computer. Okay, this is also known as brain of computer. Program, yes, program is also not the part of storing data. So thin disk, the disk that store data is DVD. C is right answer here. Next is, dash is the softest mineral found on the earth. Softest mineral is talc. Okay, We also use it in our daily life as a talcum powder. Okay, this improves the skin texture and absorb all the moisture from the skin. So C is the right answer here, which is the softest mineral on the earth, that is talc. Okay, this is when we touch it, it can be easily changed into the powder form. C is right answer here. Next is, which of the following material conduct electricity? Which material conduct electricity? That is metals actually conduct electricity. Okay, metals conduct electricity. Plastic does not conduct electricity, it is electricity resistant. Silver is a metal, so metal conduct electricity, it means silver conduct electricity. Wood not conduct electricity. Actually, wood is the resistant of the electricity. Okay, so right answer here is the B, silver only. Next is, which of the following statement is incorrect about ISRO? Incorrect statement. It was established in August 1971. This first one is incorrect because it was established on August 15, 1969. Okay, this is the date of the establishment of the ISRO. So this is wrong. First is wrong statement and right answer here. Second, B, its headquarters in Bengaluru, right. Vikram Sarabhai was the first chairman of it. This is absolutely right. Aryabhat was its first launch satellite. This is absolutely right. So wrong is only that when it was established, that is in 1969. A is right answer here. Next is, which of the following material get attract towards a magnet? Magnet only attract iron material. Okay, remember that thing. So glass jar cannot be attract iron screw made up of iron. Okay, so these can be attracted by magnet. B is the right answer here. Paper sheet and plastic pen, they also cannot attract by metal. Metal only attracts iron, so that iron screw easily can be attracted by the metal. B is right answer here. Next is, which of the following form of energy causes the least environmental pollution in the progress of its harassing and utilization? So basically solar energy, thermal energy, biomass energy, or none of these. Look at the solar energy we get from the sun rays. Biomass energy we get from the plant products. Okay, it's basically from the plant material by burning plant material, and thermal energy we get from by burning fossil fuels. So which of the following form of energy causes that least environmental pollution? That is the solar energy, because solar energy is the natural sun rays. Okay, we get from natural sun rays that energy. But biomass energy and thermal energy we get from the burning fuels or plant material. So this can cause environmental pollution, but solar energy is not we can say that it is a least environmental pollution creator. So A, solar energy is the right answer here. Next is, which of the following can be used to make a heat-proof handle of cooking utensils? Heat-proof, which cannot conduct heat. Okay, let me tell you, metals are the good conductor of heat and electricity both. Okay, but here bakelite is it is not a conductor of heat. So bakelite is the right answer. Wood cannot conduct electricity. This is also right. Copper is metal, and metal can conduct electricity easily. Okay, metal can conduct electricity or heat both. Okay, so metal is the wrong answer here because they can become hot with the pot. Okay, so this is wrong. Bakelite and wood, they are not conductor of heat and electricity both, so they both can be used in the making of handles of utensils because they cannot be get hot by the flame. So both A and B is the right answer here. Next is, comets revolve around the dash in a highly elliptical orbit. Elliptical means oval shape orbit. Okay, comets revolve around around what? Around sun. Okay, actually comets are made up of ice, dust, rocky material. Okay, and they revolve around they basically, we can say that in the specific orbit with the sun they revolve around. Okay, so sun is D is the right answer here. Earth, Jupiter and Moon, they also revolve in their orbit, but they specifically in the sun orbit, that is the comets only. D is right answer here. Next is material X is hard, waterproof and transparent. Okay, these three property X have. And Y is light, waterproof and strong. Y is light, waterproof and strong. So, and durable also. So we have to check X and Y. X, first one metal, and they are saying this is hard, waterproof and transparent. Metals are not transparent, they are opaque. Glass, so first one is wrong. Second, rubber and paper. Rubber is not hard. Okay, it is waterproof but it is not hard and it is not transparent. So this is also wrong. Third one is glass. Glass are hard, waterproof and transparent. All three properties go with the X in glass. Plastic, let's check plastic. Plastic is light in weight, right? This is waterproof, right? Strong also, durable also. So plastic is the right answer here also. So C is the right answer here. Okay. Question 22 is, it is an event when the sun and the earth and the moon align with each other as shown in the diagram. What it is called? Look, this is sun, this is earth and this is moon. Here in between sun and moon, there is earth. We can see that. Okay. So shadow of the earth is covering to the moon. This is called lunar eclipse. Okay. Chandra Grahan. D is the right answer here. What is solar eclipse? If the position is different, if the moon is here in between sun and earth, there is moon here. This is called solar eclipse. Okay. So these are the two type of eclipse here, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse occur when the moon passes between the sun and earth. Okay. Between the sun and earth, their moon passes. This is called solar eclipse. But if the sun is in between sun and moon, then it is called lunar eclipse. But here for the right answer, in this situation, when sun and moon is outside and earth is between them, that is called lunar eclipse. D is the right answer here. Okay. Next is match the column and select the correct option. Let's check red planet, that is Mars. Mars title name is red planet. Smallest planet is the Mercury. Hottest planet, which is the hottest planet, that is the Venus. Okay. Largest inner planet is Earth. So P4, Q1, R2 and S3. Here A is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following is not a part of Meta platform? First one is the picture of Instagram. This is Meta platform. Second one is the picture of, this is Meta platform. Third one is the picture of Messenger. This is also Meta platform. But here you can see that this is X. This is the Twitter icon. Okay. And Twitter is owned by the AI, artificial intelligence company. This is not a Meta platform. So D is the right answer here. So kids, 25th question is select the correct statement. Iron does not allow heat to pass through it. This is wrong. Iron actually allow heat to pass through it. Metals are the good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. So iron is the metal, so it allow heat. Doesn't is the wrong here. So this is incorrect statement. B, clinical thermometer which is used to measure our body temperature contain mercury. Absolutely right. Okay, every thermometer which contain body temperature, they have mercury. Okay, have you seen that silver material? Okay, on the nib of the thermometer, that is called mercury. Third one is butter paper is transparent. No, butter paper are not transparent. Okay, they are opaque. Plastic is a good conductor of electricity. Absolutely wrong. Okay, metal are good conductor of electricity, not plastic. So this is also wrong. So right statement is only clinical thermometer which is used to measure our body temperature contain mercury. B is the right answer here. So kids, here we learn about the chapter, that is science and technology. Chapter 4, repeat this video, learn all the question and then option also. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KVS Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you and bye bye.